What's going on, folks? Today we are not in Stu's garage, we're in Chris's garage. There's Chris back there, and he's got something really awesome that I've been dying to see. And we're also going to be working on a project for the Drift Fox. So at this point, I'm probably not going to show you the entire build because I just want to show you guys how we're getting started. But anyways, behold the, I don't know, what is this, a road race car?
It's a hybrid, man.
A hybrid, hot rod, garage build, whatever you want to call it. It's awesome. So let's walk around this thing and check it out. So basically, first off, the whole motor is just chrome, everything, and polished aluminum. And the motor is not very different from what I have in my car, but everything is just like spotless. You can eat off of it. He's got the Radiator Relocation, so basically opens up a lot of room in the front of the car. This is actually a custom-made strut brace that he made himself with a flux core welder, and came out awesome. If you look at these joints, thing's almost seamless. The aerodynamic vents on the side, everything's wire tucked, so did a really good job with this. These are the 14-inch Brembo brakes. I almost bought these things, but just because of my suspension, I can't really run these things because they actually push the wheels out too far for my build. But those are some seriously monster brakes. As we get around to the inside of the car, you know, there's an awesome cage in there. What is that, fuel cell out back?
Battery box.
Battery box, okay. Yeah, you see the wiring, everything's clean. Race car status. And Lexan windshield, or rear window. And here's a look at what we're going to be doing today. This dashboard. This is the E36 BMW dashboard. And I've got my dashboard right over here. And we're going to be working on that, prepping that to actually go into the Drift Fox, because that just looks so super awesome. So there's a look at Chris's weekend hot rod race Foxbody. And we're gonna go ahead and get started getting this thing ready to go into the Drift Fox. Alright, so we're getting ready to trim up the dashboard, and pretty much if you plan on doing this for yourself with a Foxbody, it's a really simple fit to make. Basically all you have to do is take this contour line right here that comes behind the defrosters. You're not gonna have defroster vents anymore, and just come down about 2 inches and follow that line exactly. So we're gonna cut along this line. We stripped out all of the vents that we had. We took off the airbag cover, and we're also going to trim all of these lower panels here because we're not going to have that on the final car, on the final install. And once we get everything trimmed up, we're actually going to wrap this so that it looks like the dashboard that's in that car.
Safety first.
Alright, so now we're getting ready to wrap the dash with this material. It's like an Alcantara material, just to give it a nice better look, and plus this tan is not going to go in my car, so we've got it covered everywhere that needs to be covered, and we're going to get ready to trim this stuff up, and it's actually going to be held down by 3M spray adhesive. Was that degreaser?
It is degreaser, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm sure this dashboard has got years and years of funk on it. Paint this thing with greaser. Basically what I do is go fold. This glue's got a really good setup time, so.
Oh, okay, you got time to lay it down and
mess with it, so.
Okay, move this.
I guess we're gonna work with this. So go all the way down to the bottom there to where you can wrap it under.
Alright, I wasn't too hands-on with this build, I just kind of sat back and watched, but you know, there's nothing crazy going on here, but we've got the dash all wrapped up. It looks much better than what we started with, and we just have a few little trimmings, and like I said, I'll be adding stuff to this thing over the next few months. This is not going to be a quick project for me, but this is how the dash looks, and now you know where you need to cut in order to get one of these inside your Mustang if that's what you decide to do. So shout out to Chris. Big thanks. It's awesome Foxbody. We definitely want to see that thing on the street this summer. So hopefully next time we see this car, that thing will be running. Maybe it'll be coyote powered. What do you think?
Voodoo.
Voodoo powered, that's right. So anyways, that's pretty much it, folks. Thanks for watching. Check y'all out later.